Hello, artists. Today, I wanted to give you a fun idea of making a 3D mug. This could be for hot cocoa or tea or coffee or something warm and delicious. First, you need a background paper. You also need scissors and glue to get started, and then you need a half sheet of paper. You want to choose a paper that goes with your background but also stands out enough so that you can tell the difference between the mug and the background. You'll need something to decorate the papers with. First, draw a line somewhere in the middle of your paper to separate where the table will be for the mug to sit on, and the top part will be the wall or the wallpaper. Then, use your supplies to decorate. The bottom part is the tablecloth. Tablecloths often have a beautiful design and pattern on them, so use your materials to decorate and design a beautiful type of pattern. Then, use your supplies to decorate the wall or the wallpaper. Oh, don't forget to put your name on the back. It's also important to put your class code in case it gets lost, then we can get it returned to you. Now for your half paper, we are going to end up rounding this half paper and gluing it on. But we need to make a little spot that will turn into the handle. So you're not going to fold your paper all the way in half, but you're going to fold it just a little bit, enough that can be a handle shape, and cut that part off. This is about a third or a fourth of your paper. Then use a supply to draw two curved lines, one that fills the whole paper and one that's about smaller than it, but underneath it just a little bit. This will create a beautiful handle to your mug. Cut it out carefully and throw the scraps away. Now it's time to decorate the mug. Mugs are decorated in so many beautiful ways. Sometimes they simply have patterns, sometimes they have pictures, sometimes they have words. I chose to write coffee on mine because I was feeling like I needed a drink of coffee to wake me up. And then I chose brown and stripes to decorate it as well. What will you choose? Will you do dots or zigzags, swirls or spirals? Will you do a butterfly or a trees? Will you do a snowman or another cup of coffee? And also decorate the handle. And when you're done decorating the background paper and the coffee paper, it's time to fold a tab. This little part that I'm folding is called a tab. What's it called? A tab. All it is folding the paper to the back side just a little bit, about the size of your finger, so that you have something to glue onto the background. And then you get to decide where your handle will go. But we'll get to that later. For now, you're going to use a glue stick and put lots of glue on one of the tabs, leaving it folded towards the back. Then flip it over and carefully press it down and hold firmly so that the glue gets nice and stuck. Then put the glue on the other side, the other tab. Lots and lots of glue will help it stay stuck. This time, you're going to press down that tab, but leave the coffee mug or your hot cocoa mug nice and bouncy and rounded so it sticks up from the paper, kind of like a rainbow or a tunnel. Then also glue on the handle on whichever side you like best. The last step is to add the contents of our mug. Something nice and warm is inside to keep you cozy on a very cold and chilly day. So using a cotton ball, spread it apart just a little bit. You don't want it to be completely falling apart, but kind of fluffy like this is good. It might get stuck to your fingers after using glue. And then put the glue on your paper where you want the steam to be coming out of your nice, warm, cozy beverage. Spread out the cotton ball and stick it onto the glue, and now you've made a nice, warm, cozy, beautiful 3D mug, collage, or paper sculpture. Have fun today!